People worry that the Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers may cause vibration. In fact, Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers will not cause any vibration. If there is a small sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The fitness of the Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers and the tightness of lug nuts are the two first factors users focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issue. Most wheel vibration problems are balanced on lug-centric Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers. A lug-centric spacer means there is a big hole in the middle. The lug holes are also made larger to fit a variety of vehicles. Without a snug fit, these spacers are centered on the vehicle hubs only by wheel studs. If you are using fixed spacers, there is a high risk of vibration. In this case, high-produced hub-centric Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers will be the easy solution. As long as you use quality Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers and install them properly, they are very safe and reliable. Since the wheel stud and lug nut use a clamping force to secure the Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers and wheels, if the stud or lug nuts are not strong enough to support this process, they will likely be bent by rolling apart. The provide wheel studs of BONOSS Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers are made of high-strength forged SCM440 alloy steel. They have achieved ISO standard grade 4.9 with high strength. Your Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers can be more processed without breaking. Hub-centric Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers keep the wheel centered and balanced on the vehicle's hubs while driving. After the spacer and wheels are properly torqued, the hub-centric rings cover the gap between the center bolt of the wheels to the hubs of the vehicle. Thus, hub-centric Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicles. This helps to prevent any kind of vibration issues. BONOSS Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric main ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the barrels fit the corresponding hub flange, which will eliminating any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers are components that contain other parts, you absolutely need tight tolerance.